don't know if you want to feature him on this song.
Oh, this done already, man.
Yeah, I know. Well, I mean, it has room. Probably not that one. I don't know.
No, this done already, man. It's clean up and done already.
I can't really keep going too much later, so.
Yeah, but just put them on a CD there for me and for me drive.
Just these?
Yeah, them two there.
Right.
And give me what the same rhythm when we just did a while ago. Hey, Kingmale, what you do? You don't want to tune?
Yeah, but not that, you know, I can get on
put
that
them on CD for me, so by the time I run in on the man out to go there.
Well, I just, you know,
yeah.
My neighbors will be.
No.
Alright, let me get this one first.
Lion Heights. Rasta Kelly in the face. I said no one knows. No one knows, yes. No one knows what tomorrow will bring. No one knows what the day may bring. As the day comes, you got to be positive. Let people survive. Let people survive. And we got to stay.
Sounds alright, right?
Yeah,
Vocals are loud enough? Yeah.
As you walk in the daytime, nighttime, you don't know. No one knows what tomorrow.
We're gonna go to the store for a second.
Alright,
No one knows what the day may bring.
Hey, see if those guys would be down to do shooting on Thursday, maybe. Okay.
Lion Heights.
Hold on, Lion Heights. Mitch&Co. Let me say that up on the first part now. Lion Heights, Mitch&Co. and turn it up production. Come on, us. I think I promote you know what? You know what I said? Mitch&Co. on the top. Lion Heights Company. Check this out.
Turn it up, brother. Mitch&Co. Lion Heights Company. Check this out. No one knows, yeah.
You want it like that?
Yeah.
No one knows what tomorrow may bring.
Hey, what's your email?
Just my name at Yahoo.
Dane at Yahoo.
Dane Bolton at Yahoo.com.
Turn it up, Rasta Kelly in the face. Mitch&Co. I said no one knows. Check this out. No one knows, yes. No one knows what tomorrow may bring. No one knows what the day may bring. As the day comes, you got to be positive.
Sounds good.
That shit hot.
What's the name of this one?
No one knows. Nobody can know. You must be up and go along the way. I don't know what we're going to bring tomorrow.
Yeah.
We just there so tonight, but tomorrow we don't know what happen. We just wake up and go along the day.
If we wake up.
That me I talk about. You see what me I say?
Wake up.
So a boy better listen to that tune here, you know, and take a joke tune, you know. And me you better play in your car and just respect life, you know. You hear me I say, Mitch?
Sure.
Yeah. A lot of people do that.
True.
So when you leaving next week, man?
October 11th, 12th.
October 12th, okay.
Yeah.
I got a couple more days. I'm gonna have to drive back out here, man. It's gonna be,
Yeah, I got a little bit of time left.
So I say me I will run, that's why I say me over here, you know. Cause me don't want to
because the tunes that I did, that White Flag tune, Vipers, that's on the White Flag instrumental. I'm gonna bring that over here too, let him produce that, co-produce that with me. I done told hits, man. I done told there, co-let Boy put his touch on it. Producer, we all together, you know? Shit, I got about 25 tunes. Video footage, all types of shit.
Nigga like this and nigga like that. I want to drink no hot. The kaya mash, drink it every day. I know my one of I want stash. The kaya mash, to wake up in the morning. This I want hot. The kaya mash, Rasta Kelly with them, Rasta love punch. I'm on with them now. Yes, we see them, mama. Yes, they really can come. The kaya mash right now, what you say? They all about east, west, north and south. Oh yeah. We get one, we feel it. We all about it. We put it on my mouth. The kaya mash, go get them. The kaya mash, you drink alone. You better get that. The kaya mash, on the way. Here comes sister down, sister Jackie. Baby in the dance, I spend them money. Yeah. First thing they see me, them say, where is the kaya?
You want to end like this, man? With the
Oh, and Jeremy write me a drop too for Nitch&Co Company. Sing me a drop for Nitch&Co Company. You hear me?
Yeah.
And Jeremy sing me a Nitch&Co Company drop.
Fade it out from before that, you know.
You don't want that in there? Okay.
Just fade it out from before that, man, again.
You know what I'm saying, brother?
Yeah, let me say that. Who do that cover there?
I don't know, I like this one, but you did that yourself?
Yeah.
I like that, man. I like
Jeremy did it, but it was already
that.
there.
I like that.
You like it, man.
Yeah, I like that. It's nice and clean. I like that. But I want to do a Nitch&Co Company. You hear what I said? Pennies in my pocket. Nitch&Co Company. Drop.
Yeah.
That'll be cool.
Yeah. That's what I want him to do for me. Pennies in my pocket. Nitch&Co Company. Drop. Nitch&Co Company. Soundwarrior. Yeah, Nitch&Co Company. Drop. This is off the chain.
Alright, this is how it's gonna end.
Baby in the dance, I spend them money. First thing they see me, them say,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate that.
That's cool. Dread Step too. He's singing on Dread Step?
No, Jet Step is that double in this one.
Okay. Only one he's singing is Pennies in My Pocket.
No, he sings Hypocrites.
Okay, Hypocrites too. Who is Josh David?
Josh David is the guy from New York that features.
Okay.
He's pretty sick, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He here in Chicago still?
No, he's in Brooklyn.
Oh, okay. He came out here and y'all did it?
No, same way that you met us.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the shit.
here comes sister down.
Sick, huh?
Do you want to hear what he sounds like?
Yeah. I'm gonna, do this rap thing in my pocket.
Alright, here it is. Come on, this is our chorus.
Who that?
Josh David. This guy.
Yeah. Put that two tune on a CD for me.
Alright. Anyway, that's him.
That's nice, yeah, that's nice.
So who make them track?
Y'all made the track, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Shit wicked.
So how many years, how many years you don't give me none of them track?
Yeah, I want to give up them tracks.
And that me notice with you guys, man. You guys, man, it's alright, okay.
But no, it's not like that, man. It's just like.
No, they wanna bust it first.
Yeah,
I can respect that. They ain't like me. I set out tracks. People send me tracks and all kind of shit. But you know.
Well, I just don't have that many right now.
Right.
A couple of those are rhythms though, like old school rhythms. Like we made added some stuff to them, but like they're rhythms, you know. Like the one of them on there is do 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 bip 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 do. You know that song? But bam, yeah, we just like reuse it.
Real rock.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's on the album too, though. So. No. All right. Let me get both these.
Hey, D.
So.
Every song we have with me, put it on the CD then.
Oh man, I don't know.
You have a bunch of them down here. No. Yeah. How much you have down here?
See, I don't know, man, because I lost a lot of my stuff.
Man.
Lost a lot of it.
That's crazy.
A good thing we find about my stick, you know, I have some stick with me, my original album when I do Born Again and Rasta Love Punch and Good Morning Yahweh. A good thing I have them things that save up and put in a folder, you know.
True.
Because the man them come in here and broke in the man house and steal the man things, you know.
What?
Didn't I tell you?
No, he told me a little bit about it.
And the people who know him, you know.
What?
What you mean? If them go just take certain things, them see this and not take it, them see that and not take it.
Right.
And see and not take the rest of the stuff then. That means say that them just